Hello everyone, welcome back to Jayflair. Here we do everything fashion tutorial, fashion tips and fashion styling. I am Joy and today I've got an interesting tutorial for you guys. We'll be making the double puff sleeve. It's a very beautiful sleeve that can be worn as short, midi or long depending on your preference. Now if you are new here, do not forget to hit the subscribe button and click on the notification bell so you get notified on our latest contents. So guys, let's dive right in. For this tutorial, I'll be using the organza fabric and my basic sleeve. I have 2 yards of organza fabric and I'll be using everything. Okay, so just going to fold my fabric into 4. I'm using the whole of the 2 yards because of the fullness I'm going to add to the sleeve. And this is my basic sleeve, a long sleeve, okay? So I'll just start by folding my sleeve along the center line, the green line, okay, and then fold it again several times, or you can just draw slash lines if you like. This is a faster way of getting my slash lines, and then I'll number 1 to 6. Okay, so I'm just confirming if the length of the sleeve is enough for me. Okay, so I'll cut through all the panels through, meaning that I'm going to separate each of them. This is the sleeve. It's a double puff sleeve, so my fabric is already folded into 4 like I said. I'm going to be using 2 for each of the sleeve. That's 2 of the fabric for each of the sleeve because I really want it to be full. And I don't want it to be too transparent. You know, organza is transparent, so I don't want it to be too transparent. So I'll just spread my patterns across the fabric. That's the full length of the fabric. Okay, so you can decide to spread by maybe 2 or more, but I'm just going to spread mine across the spread of the fabric. So at this point, I'm just going to connect all the upper area, that's the sleeve cap area. Just watch what I'm doing. So this is it. This is what I have right now. And then at the middle part here, this is the middle. I will go up by 2 inches. It's a puff sleeve and I want it to go up. I want it to puff up. Okay. And then I'll connect. I just increased the height of the puff sleeve. So I'll connect that point back to my sleeve cap area like this. And this is what it looks like, guys. And then at the M line, I'll go down by, I'll just get the middle first. And then from the sides, I'll just curve in downwards to the middle part. Okay, just watch me. Okay, so at the M line, I'm doing this to increase the blousing effect of the puff sleeve. I want you to have this blousing effect at the M line. That's why I dropped it by 1 inch. You can even do more than 1. You can do 2 or 3. And this is what my sleeve looks like right now. And then the last thing I'll be doing will be to divide my sleeve into 2. Okay, to get the part where I'll be adding the elastic at the middle. So just divide your sleeve into 2 parts. Okay, so this is the middle of my sleeve right now, and this is the part I'll be gathering. So let's cut out the sleeve. This is my sleeve after cutting. Remember, I cut 2 for each of my sleeves. So guys, let's go into the sewing tutorial. I'll start by hemming the bottom part of my sleeve. I'll just fold it quarter and 3/4 inch at the hemline and then sew. Okay, so I'm done with sewing the hemline. Remember, I'll be using my elastic. Before adding the elastic at the hemline, I will work on the middle part. Now what I'll do is to place the elastic band on the middle line. There is a line at the middle, and then as I sew, I will stretch. I'll stretch the elastic as I sew. Ensure that you pull the elastic, stretch it out so that the gathers can form. Don't just sew it flat. Keep stretching until you get to the end. And that's how to get the gathers formed on the sleeve. Okay, so that's what I'm doing right now. If you observe, it has started forming gathers. Can you see the gathers? Okay, so just keep stretching as you sew. And this is what it looks like after sewing. Can you see how stretchy it is? So the next thing I'll do is to insert my elastic band at the channel at the hemline. If you have a safety pin, fine, but I'm using my needle. That's what I have. So just insert the pin or needle into the hemline and drag in the elastic band. As soon as you get the band, the elastic inside the channel, you will adjust it to the size that you want. That's your round sleeve. Okay, and then stitch it down at both sides. So I'm done with the hemline, and my elastic is already in, and I've stitched it down on the both sides. And this is what my sleeve looks like right now. Okay guys, so I've joined them on the sides. I've secured the elastic band. So I'll just bring the two sides together at this point and then sew all the way to the sleeve cap, as I'll join the sides using 1/2 inch seam allowance. So after sewing the side, I'm going to gather the top. I'm going to draw gathering stitch at the top of the sleeve. So after sewing, I'll just draw the gathers, and then I'll show you what my sleeve looks like right now. Guys, these are the two sleeves. The double puff sleeve. This is what it looks like. I see how beautiful it is. This is how beautiful it is. If you want yours longer than this, you can use the full length of the organza for each of the sleeves. Thank you guys for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share with anyone who might benefit from it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. And let me know your thoughts and questions in the comment section below. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.